In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a revision on the feedback form, a useful skill for anyone looking to ensure that their feedback receives the consideration it deserves. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, making sure you feel confident and well prepared. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the feedback forum. This is the hub for all your feedback interactions, and it's a great place to start when you want to manage the feedback you've given or received. Once you're at the feedback forum, make sure you're logged in to your account to have access to all your past feedback records. Now, take a moment to peruse your feedback list. Here, you'll see various pieces of feedback that either you have given or that have been given to you. The key here is to find the specific feedback you wish to revisit. Keep an eye out for entries related to your current concern. It should stand out either by content or timing. Once you've located it, you'll notice an option or link titled Request to Revise. Clicking on this is your next step. This is a feature specifically designed to initiate the process of revisiting and potentially changing the feedback you have interacted with. Upon clicking through, the next crucial step is communication. This part cannot be overstated as it involves human interaction, which requires diplomacy and a clear exchange of ideas. Here you will enter a dialogue with the other party involved in that particular feedback. It's a great idea to be clear and specific about what you would like to change in the feedback and why. While it's important to express your perspective, it's equally important to listen attentively to theirs with an open mind. The goal in this stage is to find a mutual agreement or understanding that can result in a revision that satisfies both parties. When communicating, keep the conversation respectful and constructive. Focus on how a revision might benefit both parties moving forward. Remember, effective communication is key, and the more precisely you can articulate your reasons and understand theirs, the smoother this process will go. Being open to suggestions can sometimes lead to a much better outcome than anticipated. In summary, by following these steps, starting from accessing the feedback forum,